Managing your business finances across multiple apps can slow you down. Payments, transfers, bills, budgeting. When everything is disconnected, your business loses speed and control. With XCLUSIV, your business account comes with a fully integrated banking experience powered by a licensed financial institution and designed for speed, reliability, and control. Send and receive payments instantly with free transfers between XCLUSIV accounts and fast, reliable transfers to other banks. Pay bills, purchase, airtimes, and data, and manage all your financial activities without leaving your business platform. Use AI-powered insights to track spending, manage budgets, and make smarter financial decisions. Grow your money with built-in savings and investment options designed to support your business growth. Accept payments easily with modern tools like QR code payments, fast, simple, and convenient for your customers. Step 1. Open your business account inside the XCLUSIV app. Share your account details to receive payments instantly or accept payments directly within the platform. Send money to other XCLUSIV accounts for free or transfer to any bank account quickly and reliably. Pay your bills, utilities, airtime, and data all from one place. Use QR codes to accept or make payments instantly. Perfect for both online and physical transactions. Track your income and expenses with smart insights and manage your budget with confidence. Set aside funds for savings or explore investment options to grow your financial position over time. This is not just banking. This is financial control built directly into your business operations. Start using XCLUSIV Business today and manage your money with speed, clarity, and confidence.